Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add signature in your photo. So first thing first, you have to use different app for that in order to create a signature first. So I'm using the app Fonto right here. You can go in the app store and type in Fonto and install. I have already one installed in my phone, so let's tap into that. And let's tap in this camera icon and tap in plain images. So you can tap in this one. And here's the important part. You need to tap in this color option. And in the alpha, you need to simply make it like 0. So hit apply and again hit in that top right corner and tap in use. And here is where you are supposed to tap in add text. So let's tap in. You can also tap in your rows. So I've already used a calligraphy kind of font in order to give it this more like signature vibe. You can choose any of the font you'd like you can choose from the font over here. So I'm sticking to this one right here. So let's align to the center, hit done. You can also customize it using like different style, tap in the style and stuff like that. You can make it black color so it's more visible, and yeah, try to align it more at the center. You can customize the sizes as well. Let's make it, this is fine. So once you're done with the signature, you're satisfied with it, hit that save option at the very bottom right corner. And here you can save image as PNG, or you can save to files. And let's save. Once it's saved, let's go back to our Lightroom. So here, let's choose a photo. I'm choosing this one right here. Let's tap in the save option and let's tap in export as. And here, the include watermark option is already on. So let's tap in customize. Here, there's the option of graphic. Let's tap in that. And at the very, at the search bar kind of thing, there is a plus icon. Let's tap in that. And let's tap in this, that signature that we have just created. You can customize the size, the opacity. Let's skip it this way. I want it to be like kind of visible, kind of not thing. So yeah, maybe a little bit smaller. So yeah, now this is how you add signature to your photo in Lightroom. Now you can simply save this photo and use it. And that's it for today's video. If you have any queries, drop a comment in the comment section down below. I'll be more than happy to help you with that. If you like this video, give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And I really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.